I am the New College Learning Strategist. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a weekly schedule using the Google Sheets. So first off, you're going to go onto the Google landing page. If you have a Gmail account, sign in and go onto the waffle tray on the top right-hand side. Click on Sheets, and it'll take you to the Google landing page for the different sheets that they offer, and you're going to click on Schedule. After that, it's actually going to look blank over here. And the first thing you might want to do now is to go on to Rosie and get your schedule based on the courses you're taking this term. And then you're going to plug in your different courses, your different lectures, tutorials, maybe you have labs, place all of that there. Then determine when you want to start your day. This could be dependent on how long your commute is and how long it takes you to wake up and get ready. And then ask yourself when you'd like to end your day or when your brain turns off so that you could go and have some proper sleep. After that, you might want to, again, as you build your schedule, you might want to include your weekly submissions. So perhaps you have every single week, an economic submission, a math submission. So place that all there and then ask yourself, how much time does it realistically take for me to do this work? So for example, if it takes you 3 hours, right, you want to allocate 3 hours in your schedule. So you could sprinkle that across the week. And then you want to try it out. You want to try out your schedule, see how it goes. If you need to make changes, you're more than welcome to. If you feel like your schedule is too overwhelming, please visit an academic advisor in the New College Registrar's office so they could support you. Finally, if you need any support with schedule making, you're more than welcome to go on to CLNX and register for the Time Management Bootcamp. They're located in the orange and they're offered every single week. I hope this is helpful and good luck to you.